The FIFA World Cup, once a symbol of pure competition and fair play, is now facing a growing concern. Is it losing its soul? For over a century, this tournament has united nations, not just by skill or strategy, but by the principle that anyone, anywhere could rise to greatness. But today, questions linger. Has the World Cup become something else entirely? But what happens when fair play becomes a paradox? Recent World Cups have shown moments of extraordinary sportsmanship, like Egypt's dramatic. Yet today, economic disparities are reshaping the game, making it harder for smaller nations to compete. From underfunded squads to the influence of wealthy clubs, is competitive equality becoming a relic of the past? But what about the underdogs? Egypt's dramatic comeback against New Zealand in 2026 was a masterclass in determination, proving that fair play still exists. Yet, when Cape Verde pulled off another shock victory, questions arise. Are these stories Are we losing the magic of spontaneity in pursuit of perfection? But what about the fans? The ones who still pack stadiums with passion, chanting their team's name until their voice is raw. Are they losing interest as the World Cup becomes more about spectacle than substance? Or is it that we're just seeing less of it because the magic isn't as frequent or as real as it once was? Let's look at how fan engagement is changing and whether the modern World Cup still captures our hearts like it used to. Looking ahead, can the World